Namaste children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn trigonometry. Introduction. In our daily life, we can measure the heights, distance and slopes by using some mathematical techniques. The mathematical techniques which come under a branch of mathematics is called trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics that studies triangles and the relationship between the lengths of their sides and the angles between those sides. History of trigonometry. Early study of triangles can be traced to the second millennium BC in Egyptian mathematics and Babylonian mathematics. Systematic study of trigonometric functions began in Hellenistic mathematics, reaching India as a part of Hellenistic astronomy. Uses of trigonometry. Scientific fields that make use of trigonometry include architecture, astronomy, civil engineering, geophysics, electrical engineering, electronics, land surveying and many physical sciences, mechanical engineering, oceanography, optics, pharmacology, probability theory, seismology, statistics. What is trigonometry? The word trigonometry is derived from Greek words tri means three, gon or gonia means sides and metron measurement or measure. In fact, the earliest known work on trigonometry was recorded in Egypt and Babylon. Early astronomers used to find out the distance of the stars and planets from the earth. Observe picture children. Hipparchus, credited with compiling the first trigonometric table, is known as the father of trigonometry children. See children, the Pythagorean theorem. If you square the length of the two shorter sides and add them, you get the square of the length of the hypotenuse. From figure, adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. For example, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, that is 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Parts of right triangle. Here, observe children figure, AB hypotenuse will always the longest side in a right angle triangle. BC adjacent is the side next to angle X. Here AC is called opposite side. It is also called perpendicular side. Here angle B, X. Okay. Trigonometric ratios. The ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angles are called trigonometric ratios. Here observe children, a ratio is comparison of two numbers. For examples, boys to girls, cats to dogs, right to wrong. In trigonometry, the comparison is between sides of a triangle. Okay children, trigonometric ratios. Observe children here, figure sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Trigonometric ratios remaining three children, secant x is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, cosecant x is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, cot x is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Observe children here, there are 6 trigonometric ratios are there. The reciprocals of these functions are named the cosecant, secant and cotangent respectively. Cosecant A means the multiplicative inverse of sin A. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A, hypotenuse by opposite side. Secant A, multiplicative inverse of cos A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cot A, multiplicative inverse of tan A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, means adjacent side by opposite side. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. These are called reciprocal functions of trigonometric ratios, children. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identity, an identity equation having trigonometric ratios of an angle, is called trigonometric identity. It is true for all the values of the angles involved in it. We have three major trigonometric identities. They are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Clear, children, trigonometric identities? Okay. Other useful identities. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. These are also called, children, multiplicative inverse of given trigonometric ratios. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. The values of various trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. The tables learn, children, very well. From this table we can observe the values of sin theta and cos theta always lie between 0 and 1. In case of tan theta, the values increase from 0 to infinity. In case of cot theta, the values decrease from infinity to 0. In case of cosecant theta, the values decrease from infinity to 1. Secant theta, the values increase from 1 to infinity. Clear, children, all are learned properly. Thank you very much. All the best, children.